Wales's new curriculum and assessment arrangements are built on progression in learning. Here's the story so far. Our new curriculum is being rolled out from 2022. It offers teachers more freedom to teach in a way that best meets the needs of each of their pupils. At its heart, it has 4 purposes, the starting point and aspiration for every child and young person in Wales. Learning is organised in 6 areas of learning and experience, rather than narrow subject boundaries. Within these, statements of what matters set out the most important knowledge, skills, and experiences to be gained. The curriculum and its assessment arrangements are built on progression in learning, so each area of learning and experience includes progression steps. Learning and progression go hand in hand, bringing a purposeful approach to the way learning and experiences are organised. Teacher assessments, based on levels and programmes of study, are being replaced as part of the new curriculum and assessment arrangements. Assessment will now recognise achievement, but focus on next steps in learning, agreed between teacher and pupil. Literacy and numeracy will still be mandatory, along with digital competence. 4 principles underpin the new approach. It is based on a nationally described continuum of learning for learners aged 3 to 16. Learning should be an expedition, not a straight line. Progression is a roadmap for each individual, and each may progress at a different rate or take a different path to get to the next stage in their learning journey. Descriptions of learning are presented in progression steps, which relate broadly to expectations at ages 5, 8, 11, 14 and 16. These help pupils, teachers, parents and carers to understand if appropriate progress is being made. Descriptions of learning are in the form of I can and I have statements. Literacy, numeracy, digital competence and other skills that help pupils develop towards the 4 purposes are included. Descriptions of learning help teachers and pupils understand the next steps to be taken. Schools from across Wales have worked with experts and researchers from University of Wales, Trinity St David and Glasgow University, calling on wide-ranging research to underpin the new approach. The Curriculum for Wales's national framework has been developed collaboratively as an integrated whole, combining progression, assessment and pedagogy. It will help our young people thrive and compete in a changing world.